about lunchtime.
Hey, will you carry my bag?
John, you have anything to say?
Okay.
What brilliant thing you going to learn today, John?
Lunchbox check, bag check, and your boot check. There.
The twins' first day of school.
Please. Do you remember who that is? You know, Shelly.
Where'd Mom go? Lauren, you did great.
Emily.
I like the gun.
I go.
He didn't have a name tag his first day.
Watch out. Put your finger out. Shooting in her. Shoot you. In her. I go. Evan. Madeline, shoot me. And she goes, no.
Madeline went to bed with that gun last night.
No. Shoot John, no. Shoot Emily, yes. Yes. She will shoot you. Were you the one who caught her? No.
Maddie, who are you going to shoot today?
She just told us. Look at two doggies.
What? Two doggies.
My sister would have been with those dogs riding on them by now.
She likes dogs?
Yeah, she loves them. Just in case they find her.
I don't want you to shoot me, honey.
I had to go to the doctor's at 8 o'clock last night with my sister.
Why?
Aren't you just so lucky, Lauren? You're just so lucky.
I like you. That's so sweet.
Why'd you have to go to your doctor's? Oh, really?
Lauren, guys, get out of the street.
Get out of the street, ladies. Ladies. Here she comes, John. I can hear her.
Emily, why did is that mine? No, mine. Good. That's good.
John goes after his name tag. Run, John!
It's like monks and yours is like where that little little thingy, that little oven is, and the refrigerator goes in there. Like where the refrigerator and the oven is.
How you doing?
Upstairs? No, downstairs. There's her tank oven I have. Yeah. And then the refrigerator, the real refrigerator. One is there. Two, you're in there. Have like this nice house.
Yep, I get the time.
It's nice.
Not yet, Jane.
Okay, and she'll put you on bus 9. Get on bus 9.
John, come here.
Say goodbye to Daddy.
Lots of luck, John.
See it. I'll stand down here and wait for you. All right.
Kindergarten's up front. Woo.
He's the only one, yeah.
Make sure he's in the front of the line.
Oh, great, okay.
Okay? You're in the line, get him in the seat.
Preferential treatment. Good. Thank you.
Yep.
And they're off.
Oh, goodbye, Emily.
See you later, Em. All right, time for some sketch. It is fixed, honey.
This way it doesn't. Did she? Dad, I threw right to her so she catches everyone. Sorry, Johnny.
Who said that?
Beth.
Good, Beth. That's our left-hander. Throw it to Maddie. Hey, Matt.
Well, what do you want to take? Dad, can you just pull my shoe tight?
Yeah.
After that. After that.
Your sneaker hot.
Dad, why is this thing turning? Turning. Dad, I won't put the ball to me.
Matt, you can't play sketch sucking your thumb.
I don't think she has the ball. Oh, yeah.
Mad. Throw the ball to your sister, okay?
If you would watch me play a boo.
Yay!
I can do while they're just playing sketch.
What, honey?
What I can do while they're playing sketch.
What?
No, I'm asking.
Mad, you cannot play sketch and suck your thumb.
Yeah. Yeah, they cannot play sketch. Very
You
much
really need that
longer
thumb.
Either. It's boring. I can't do anything.
Mad, you're going to have to take that thumb out of your mouth if you want to throw the ball.
Boring. Why? It's boring not watching them play. It's not boring.
What's your problem?
I don't have anything to do. Yay! I don't feel like kicking. Yeah! I feel like kicking.
Yay!
I don't feel like kicking. I feel like throwing.
Good, you kids are doing great. John, they got 4 in a row. 5! Oh, you blew it, Beth. Oh, that's okay.
That's gonna lose it this time. I told you. Okay. That was a fast one. Maddie!
What's your problem, John?
Nothing to do. Right. Daddy, could you fix this? It is food. Dad, could you fix this?
What's the matter with it, honey?
I just want this tiger. Daddy, could you put this tiger on my head?
Okay.
Never. And I'm telling you the truth. Oh, yeah. Never, ever, ever. No. Do it. What? Just to say we're old enough to recorder. They could watch us play baseball. They're old enough. There's a couple things that I don't like about being twins.
What?
Sometimes when you blow up, no, I'm doing to you. Sometimes when you blow up, you start to not like each other that much anymore.
How do you know?
Happens to lots of twins.
How do you know about twins, John, not liking each other?
Maddie's checking herself.
Maddie, you couldn't suck your thumb and play sketch. Beth is not sucking her binky.
Dumb. I am not doing anything. It's boring. I go on my bike. It is my bike. Really like Maddie. Then where are they gonna put the ball?
You worry too much, John.